Hello everybody and welcome back. Today we're doing something different. My brother's got this old razor blade. It's aluminum, it's oxidized. Done a test spot on it right there, but we're gonna kind of restore it and get it back to looking like that. I'm taking a break on the go-kart for now. I'm having to make brake linkage out of all three. See, it's rubbing the frame now. I made me an adjuster out. I welded 2 3/8 nuts to have this piece of pipe. But I'm going to cut this right there, shorten it, and weld it back together. Then we'll have to cut this flap of sheet metal off that's in the way. Then we'll come back here, and right alongside right here next to the lever on the brake caliper, we're going to show it through, but that'll be another day, and I'll probably put the seat in after that one day. But then I'm going to do carburetor work on it. But we're going to do this. So basically, this is a Harbor Freight mini bench grinder. I think it's a 3-inch bench grinder. This is a polishing wheel or buffing or something like that. But first we're going to take this apart. So, that screwdriver. It's got me a stereo. 14-inch Radio Shack Performers, 2 of them. It'll shake the walls in here. But, Pioneer amp. Well, it's like a surround sound system for in the house. But, yeah, I ain't got it all done. I'm about to put a sub on. I got 2500 watt. I'm gonna wire up, but it don't push 2500 watts on that. So we're gonna take the screw out of it. It's got a blade in it, but screws out. Oh, kind of exploded. There you go. There's inside of it. There's everything basically. It's a little mechanism you slide. It's the blade. It's an old blade, and this is the knife. So basically, all I'm gonna do is where I've already started. We'll continue that down. So this might be a little loud. You want to make sure you breathe in all this oxidized aluminum flying off. You want it to just slide in your eyeballs. The whole goal of this. And this will never be perfect. Well, I ain't gonna get a Dremel out of it. It's way too loud. Here's what we've come up with. From this to that. I think I got a can of clear coat over here. We might clear it. Rust-Oleum 2% Ultra Cover. Gloss clear. The stuff I've heard pretty good, so try it out. It's clear. But we'll use that in a minute. Been cleaning in here. Yeah. Got more gas for the welder. Thanks. You cannot weld with them when you got gas. Okay, so back to what we're doing. out the inside. We gotta worry about the outside. I mean, I'll scrape all that crap out. Go find a little screwdriver or something. I want a little bit smaller than that. There you go. You know, these magnet-in screwdrivers are nice, but they're kind of sticky. You get crap will stuck to it. What is in this? Look at that. Not that on that. Okay. Well, why we got mud in here? Look at that. It's just like mud. Like, straight up dog crap. Something. I ain't worried about getting all this. It ain't well, it's kind of a restoration. I need a razor blade, and this is the one I got. I ain't going to old Harbor Freight to get another one for 50 cents. No, it ain't 50 cents. It's going to be $1 or $2. Maybe. I got one of these little B screwdrivers right here. And it's covered in silicone. That's fine. What is this? It's like old grease. It's been like that forever or something. I don't know. It's got dog hair and like poop in it. I have no clue. Okay, well, that's cleaned out pretty good. The other side ain't got none of that crap in it. We're going to slap it back together. Okay, so, I'll start this side. Okay, so, it just sets in there and it slides on that, okay? And see, every one of these little knots right here is how far you can have the blade sticking out. You set that down in there. You get the blade. You set the blade down in there. And close it. Then you take your screw. There's my big screwdriver. I know you like to use my big screwdriver because you don't want these things stripping out. Just get it snug. Probably going to put this thing back in the polishing wheel. Forget, just have the screw look on it. Never mind, that ain't gonna work. It's kind of round off. But anyways, now we're gonna clear it. So go back and get the clear coat. You want a clean surface so you can do this. Something I got. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take this. Lay this old dirty rag out. Put that right there. You just want to spritz on there. Remember, people, we ain't doing a paint job. You ain't painting no car, sure not painting a car. You know, we could have done flames on this and everything, but yeah, I didn't want to do that. Just let it sit and dry. Should protect it for years. 2 days. Okay, so we ain't done a lot on the ATC 70 like I said we were, but here we go. It runs and it drives. We got a new carburetor on the way. Carburetor's fine, just that, and it was something where the shoes fell off the pads. I've never had this happen, but on my other crew, the shoes just fall off it. The axle looks like new once you pull these little sleeves off. It looks like new. There's still had grease on the splines, y'all. I ain't gonna put that on, it'll slide the axle out. I mean, the bearings sound good, everything. It's an 81 ATC 70. See, you still got the spark plug tool. The tank was rotted. We had to cut the bottom out of it, so we just bought a plastic tank. We got a, where is it? Well, I lost it. Oh, it's over here. We got a replacement seat, $89. It says Honda on the back of it. It's for an 81, and it's actually a good quality material. I mean, it's actually good. You got a hole, you got a sticker kit for it. We're gonna get brakes for it. We ain't got nothing to turn the drum on, or got the tires off or repaint. We got a new front tire. My dad's we're gonna paint the engine. There's a sub I want to put on. The other one's up there, but I ain't gonna put it on. We got a new front fender because the old original was busted. My dad made a seat pan out of stainless. I mean, it's pretty daggum good. But these are the original back fenders. There ain't a crack in them. It's not a joke. So, yeah. We're about to get that thing. I've rode it a couple times. But basically, we're painting it. We're going to polish it and everything. Have it looking like a showpiece. Like something you'd bring to a car show, for instance, for like three-wheelers and stuff. We bought a new pull rope for it and everything. We're going to paint the pull rope. Got a new chain right down there. It's kind of rusty. There's the 185S engine. I don't remember if I said anything, but the 185 engine was wouldn't shift the past third. And then when I drove it back, I couldn't get it any higher than first. So here's the three-wheeler. Got it tore apart. All the parts are laid out on the counters, the fenders. Got some of it up here. I just got the tank sitting on it. But we're going to do some work. I put a new tube in this tire before I done the videos. I get another rear end bolt for it. Robbed it out of the one outside. Yeah, old computer gave out on me. But yeah, we're slowly getting there. We got more work to do on it. Get the 70 going. We're working on this Doombo we bought for $100, 400DX engine. Going on the back of this thing, so y'all rip. The racing mower I cranked up the other night. It's running real rich. I ain't drove it none. It's kind of aggravating to ride it, but I'm gonna get it going one day. It's been forever since I done a video, but well, hang on. Let's see if let's try it. Absolutely not. I'll probably have to paint that. This is basically what it's gonna look like. That's all it's gonna look like on both sides once it dries. So, thanks for watching. See y'all again next time. Like, share, and subscribe. I guess that's it. Thanks for watching. See y'all next time.